I'm going to show you a quick temporary fix you could do to your 450C or any other dozer, some tractors and cases, to get away from rebuilding injector pump. I wouldn't make it a permanent fix because pump's eventually going to need rebuilt, but this will work for now. And what this dozer was doing, it was running very irregular, barely enough power to push anything, even just pull itself. It was idling funny. It was kind of making a putt-putt noise and like it's going to die. And yeah, I couldn't go nowhere with it. And I found out a way to fix it for now. Yeah, I wouldn't even pull itself up that hill over there. Sprayed all the mud off the dozer, that way I can inspect it. And I'm going to take off the side panels and the hood. Really need to just take off the side panel here, but I'm going to inspect the motor and make some other fixes. I'm going to start by unhooking the battery cable. Keys off. I'm going to take the exhaust pipe off the hood and the side plates. Got the top off, inspected all around the motor. This is what we're at right here. What we're after. This little thing right here. I'm not really sure what it does. It's got a little check bowl in there. The spring behind it. It gets clogged up. What I understand, the carbon fiber gears in this pump are going bad. The pump's failing, and it's getting caught up in this, blocking the flow, the return flow to the tank. And I was told to take this out and hook it back up. Then it'd run just fine. That's a temporary fix. The pump's gonna eventually fail and it'll need overhauled. So it might last years or hours, many hours, but it's hard to tell. But I'll look into the near future about rebuilding it. I'll go ahead and go through the whole system while I got the thing apart. Alright, looked all around the engine, everything looked to be pretty good. That is a newer fuel filter, oil change, I did that recently. Another thing I did fix was this. Mice chewed all these wires up. I cut them and put little connectors on them. I don't know what that is, a voltage regulator or acidifier or something. But got everything checked out and inspected. Fire this thing up and see how it runs now that I've taken that little check ball out, and it should have good flow, the return line all the way back into the tank, hopefully. Beautiful. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. It fixed this dozer. fix the problem for me for now. I'll throw up a couple videos of it running after this fix, show that it works. I'm going to do a few other little things of this, tighten the blade up. Next couple years I'd like to throw some tracks on it, the undercarriage. As you can see, it's about out of adjustment, and fix the T-handle up, the slop in the T-handle, probably weld it up with brass or brazing rods and re-drill it. I hope that works, but in the future I'll work on it some more, and that old thing over there, old farm truck. But thanks for watching.